Hello and welcome to your Portuguese. Have you studied but not been able to express yourself about everything you'd like to in Portuguese yet? Don't worry, today we are going to teach you one more important thing in this language, and it will be how to say I need in Portuguese. It's simple. You'll just need to say eu preciso. Eu preciso. There is just a detail. If you need to do something, so you only need to add a verb that corresponds to what you need to do. Otherwise, if you need something, you will have to add the preposition de in Portuguese and tell what you need. See the examples. Eu preciso comer. Eu preciso comer. I need to eat. In this case, you need to do something, so you just added the verb comer. Eu preciso de comida. Eu preciso de comida. I need food. In this case, you need something, so you had to add the preposition de and the substantive comida. Those two examples express basically the same thing, so you will many times be able to choose between one way or the other. Isn't it easy? So next time you need to say that you need something or to do something in Portuguese, you already know how to do it. Good luck! If you think this video was useful for you, share it on your social medias and help other people to learn Portuguese as well. Show us some love too, leaving your like on the video, and if you have some suggestion or constructive criticism, leave it in the comments area.